Remember how we said earlier that all your audio processing is non-destructive unless you really want it to be permanent? Well, let me introduce you to offline processing. Offline processing's full name is the Offline Processing History Dialog. This window contains all the processing you've done to this event and remembers it, allowing you to change things later, meaning everything is non-destructive. Let's take this drum beat and add some reverb to it. Now let's add a noise gate to it. Now let's reverse it and add some delay to it. And then reverse it again. That's a lot of processing. If you look in the pool, the audio file has this picture beside it. This means that the audio file has processing applied to it. Now we can go into the Offline Processing History dialog and see all the processes we performed. Let's say I wanted to get rid of the noise gate. Just select it and press Remove. Now press Remove again. That was a nice reverb that I used, but what if I wanted the flanger effect instead? Click on it and choose Flanger under the Replace By button. Then press the Replace By button, and then press Replace again. Change the settings on the plugin, and press Process. It's cool having delay on the drums, but what if you want to modify it? Click Stereo Delay and press the Modify button. Now you can change the effect. Now let's get rid of everything. Remarkably, we're left with the original audio file. This is because Cubase makes new files based on all the processing you do to an audio event. These new files go into the Edits folder found under the Project folder. It may seem like magic, but it's really quite clever. Let's say you want to take all that processing and make it permanent so that there's nothing listed in the offline processing history anymore. You may be wondering why you'd want this. Well, there are several reasons why. One of them could be to erase the files that are created in the Edits folder so that you can save space once the project is finished. Another reason could be so that when you use the audio in another DAW, the audio files will contain your processing. Whatever the reason, you can select Freeze Edits from the audio menu. You can then decide to permanently alter the file with Replace or to create a new audio file so that the original is untouched.